Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. When it comes to doing a kitchen remodel, there are so many decisions to make. It can be really overwhelming. So let me make one of them for you. Go with Drawer Pulls by HBL. We went with the 5-inch long size, and even on our smaller drawers, they still look really nice. They are not too large for it. We also have some huge 36-inch drawers, and I like that they still look good on those as well. What I thought was really unique about how these were packaged is that every drawer pull had its own individual package with not just one set of screws, but two sets of screws of different lengths inside it. And when everything is a mess because you're redoing your kitchen, that is a major win. I wanted them to be able to hold their own, be beautiful, but not be the first thing that you notice when you walk into the kitchen. And that's exactly what I got from HBL. So if you are remodeling a kitchen and you need the perfect drawer pull, then I definitely recommend these ones by HBL. And that's my point of view.